Believe it or not, your cat has a lot to say, and understanding their behavior can unlock a whole new level of bonding. Hey cat lovers, welcome back to The Curious Feline. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of feline communication. By the end of this video, you'll know 3 key things: how to interpret your cat's body language, the hidden meanings behind their vocalizations, and the subtle signs of their emotional needs. Let's get started and unlock the secrets of what your cat really wants. Point 1. Understanding body language. Ever noticed your cat's tail flicking back and forth? It's not just a random movement. When your cat's tail is flicking, it usually means they're either agitated or excited. This can happen during playtime or when they're introduced to something new. It's their way of showing that they're fully engaged and ready for action. On the other hand, if their tail is puffed up, it means they're scared or trying to look bigger to fend off danger. Pay close attention to these signals. They're your cat's way of communicating their feelings and needs. Understanding these cues helps you respond appropriately, ensuring your cat feels safe and understood. Point 2. The meaning behind purring. Purring isn't always a sign of contentment. Surprised? Let me explain. While cats do purr when they're happy, they also purr to comfort themselves when they're in pain or feeling anxious. For instance, if your cat is purring while curled up on your lap, they're likely feeling content and safe. However, if they're purring at the vet's office or during a stressful situation, it's a self-soothing mechanism. This dual purpose of purring can be fascinating and a bit confusing. It's crucial to pay attention to the context in which your cat is purring. Understanding this can help you provide the right kind of support, whether it's more affection and cuddles, or creating a calm environment to ease their stress. Point 3. Recognizing vocalizations. Did you know your cat's meow is their way of talking to you specifically? Cats rarely meow at other cats. It's a behavior developed for communicating with humans. A short, quick meow usually means they're saying hello or seeking attention. If your cat greets you at the door with a series of short meows, they're excited to see you and want to interact. On the other hand, a longer, drawn-out meow might indicate they're demanding something like food or attention. For example, if your cat meows persistently near their food bowl, they're clearly telling you it's mealtime. Understanding these vocal cues can make your relationship with your cat much more harmonious and fulfilling, as you'll be able to respond appropriately to their specific needs. Point 4. The significance of kneading. Why does your cat knead your lap like it's a dough ball? The answer is heartwarming. Kneading is a behavior from kittenhood, where they used to knead their mother to stimulate milk flow. When your cat kneads you, it's a sign of affection and comfort, indicating they see you as a parental figure. It's their way of showing they trust you and feel safe in your presence. This behavior can be especially comforting after a long day, knowing your cat associates you with the same warmth and security they felt as kittens. So next time your cat starts kneading, cherish the moment. It's a sign of their deep bond with you. Point 5. The mystery of headbutting. Ever been headbutted by your cat? It's not an accident. Headbutting, or bunting, is a way cats mark their territory. When your cat headbutts you, they're marking you with their scent, essentially claiming you as part of their family. This behavior is a significant sign of trust and affection. It's their way of saying, "You belong to me." If your cat frequently headbutts you, it's a clear indication that they feel a strong bond with you. Recognizing and appreciating these moments can help strengthen your relationship with your cat, making them feel even more loved and secure in your home. Point 6. The purpose of slow blinks. If your cat gives you slow blinks, consider it a feline kiss. Slow blinking is a sign of trust and affection. When your cat looks at you and slowly blinks, they're showing that they feel safe and comfortable with you. It's their way of saying they love and trust you. You can even try returning the slow blink. It's a great way to bond with your cat. It's like you're speaking their language, and it helps strengthen the connection between you. So next time your cat gives you those slow blinks, remember it's their special way of showing their love. Point 7. The reason for hiding. Is your cat hiding under the bed? It might be more than just playtime. Cats often hide when they're feeling stressed or unwell. If you notice your cat hiding more frequently, it's important to check for potential stressors in their environment or schedule a vet visit to rule out health issues. For example, if you've had recent changes at home, like new furniture or guests, your cat might hide to find a quiet, safe space. Recognizing this behavior helps you address any underlying issues, ensuring your cat feels secure and comfortable in their surroundings. So, when your cat seeks out a hiding spot, it's their way of telling you they need some peace or there's something wrong. Point 8. Understanding scratching behavior. Scratching isn't just about sharpening claws. Here's what it really means. Scratching serves multiple purposes for cats. It helps them mark their territory with scent glands in their paws, keeps their claws healthy, and provides a great stretch. For instance, if you notice your cat scratching your furniture, they're not just being destructive, they're marking that spot as part of their territory. Providing appropriate scratching posts can save your furniture and keep your cat happy. Place these posts in areas where your cat likes to scratch, and you'll notice a positive change in their behavior. Understanding this behavior ensures you can meet your cat's needs while keeping your home intact. Point 9. The importance of playtime. Your cat's sudden bursts of energy are more than just zoomies. Playtime is crucial for a cat's physical and mental health. Those sudden zoomies are your cat's way of burning off excess energy and staying fit. Engaging your cat in interactive play sessions can help them stay active and stimulated. For example, using toys that mimic prey, like feather wands or laser pointers, can satisfy their hunting instincts. Regular playtime also strengthens your bond with your cat, as they enjoy these fun and engaging moments with you. So, next time your cat has a case of the zoomies, join in on the fun and help them burn off that energy in a positive way. Point 10. Understanding litter box habits. Changes in litter box behavior can be a cry for help. If your cat starts avoiding the litter box, it could indicate a health issue or dissatisfaction with the box's cleanliness or location. For instance, if your cat suddenly begins urinating outside the box, it might be a sign of a urinary tract infection, which requires immediate veterinary attention. Alternatively, if the litter box is too dirty or placed in a noisy area, your cat might refuse to use it. Ensuring the litter box is clean, easily accessible, and in a quiet location can help prevent these issues. Paying attention to your cat's litter box habits can provide valuable insights into their health and well-being. Point 11. The meaning of tail positions. A cat's tail position is a window to their emotions. Here's how to read it. A high, upright tail often signifies a happy and confident cat, while a low or tucked tail can indicate fear or submission. For example, if your cat greets you with an upright tail, it's a sign they're excited and pleased to see you. Conversely, if their tail is tucked between their legs, it might mean they're feeling scared or anxious. Learning to read these tail signals can help you understand your cat's emotional state and respond appropriately, whether it's giving them space or offering comfort. By interpreting their tail language, you can create a more supportive environment for your feline friend. Point 12. Recognizing affectionate behavior. Cats show love in subtle ways. Are you noticing them? Rubbing against your legs, licking you, or following you around are all signs of affection. For instance, when your cat rubs against your legs, they're marking you with their scent, claiming you as part of their territory. This behavior shows that your cat enjoys your company and feels a deep bond with you. Similarly, if your cat licks you, it's a grooming behavior they typically reserve for close companions, indicating trust and affection. Following you from room to room means they want to be near you, enjoying your presence. Recognizing these affectionate behaviors helps you appreciate the unique ways your cat expresses love, strengthening your bond and ensuring they feel valued and understood. Understanding your cat's behavior is the key to a happy and healthy relationship. By paying attention to these subtle cues, you can better meet their needs and ensure they feel loved and secure. Remember, every flick of the tail, purr, and headbutt is your cat's way of communicating with you. So take the time to listen and respond to these signs, and you'll build a deeper, more fulfilling bond with your feline friend. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more feline insights. And make sure to check out our other video on 9 signs that your cat is lonely to learn even more about your furry companion's behaviors. See you in the next video, and give your kitty an extra scratch behind the ears from me.